name is Ahmed Abdullahi from University of Ilorin. I am working on a community development initiative with a central concentration on education within rural communities in Kwara State. Education since 1998 has been adopted by the federal government of Nigeria as an instrument for national development in the country, but the opposite seems to be the case in rural communities within Kwara State here. Now the initiative will be named the Dream Leavers Initiative, and we will be pushing for a kind of developmental communication approach within these rural communities by way of facilitating educational reorientation program, wherein we will let this community know that they have this ability in them. They have these enormous resources where they can use to fast track the development they are waiting for from the government. So like I said earlier, that we'll be organizing program where they will be orientated about about how they can go about bringing about development to themselves. Like for example, we run a prototype of this idea in a community in Ilorin South Local Government of Kwara State. The community is Agbabiaka community. We went to this village to see the situation of the state of education in the community, and it is so disheartening that this community has a primary school that has been established since 1976, and the current situation of this school is nothing to write home about. So at Dream Leavers Initiative, what we'll be doing is to facilitate positive change in rural communities in Kwara State through the leading approach, leading from behind approach. We want this community to do it themselves. How do we go about this? We'll be deploying the use of the internet to reach our audience. I mean, people that will be sponsoring our programs. Also, we'll go about using media relation and media campaign. Also, we'll do interpersonal communication campaign, wherein we'll be meeting people to let them know about what they can do. So we've been using crowdsourcing of fund from philanthropists around the well-to-do individuals in the state. We'll go to them, talk to them about the problem of these communities, and we hope that this idea will fly and bring about the needed change in this community. Thank you.